Welcome. In front of me is the Oppo Reno 13F, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, performing this kind of process will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. I do have a pattern, and I'll progress from the lock screen as though I don't know it. So first thing we're gonna do is hold power button and the volume up, and then we're gonna swipe down to turn off the device. Once the phone turns off, hold power button and volume down at the same time. And when you see the Oppo logo on a screen, let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. Next, select your desired language and choose Format Data. This will generate a random code right here, so just type it in. For me, it's right now 9195. Once you type it in correctly, it just gives you this pop-up right here, Format Data. All user data will be reset, and click on Format. And this goes through a very quick format. Once you click on OK, the device will reboot. Continue the process in the background, which will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once that has been finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.